Holy moly, I think I lost my mind for a little while. I was going to sell these boots. What was I thinking? I was just sitting in my storage room, loading things to sell on eBay, and I came across these, and I was like, what are you doing? Are you crazy? Look at them. Shh, it's okay, you're not going anywhere. You're gonna stay with me. I think for a split second in time, I lost my mind.
I went bonkers, doolally, bananas, around the bend. Then I came back from round the bend and went round the twist. I lost my biscuit.
But luckily, I feel like sense slapped me in the face and I am not getting rid of these. I've had to come and do this video because I have so many ideas of how I'm going to style them, and it's going to be a boot fest. So strap in, this might take a while. I also stole a bunch of clothes from my husband's closet. The idea flow is overwhelming right now.
Let's go.
If you ever wondered how to style thigh-high boots, oh, today's going to be a treat for you.
Let the games begin.
I mean, already. What were you thinking?
You seriously need to have a word with yourself. It's starting to feel like it was self-sabotage. Am I absolutely insane? They are so beautiful. Bonkers.
Oh my gosh, as simple as that. Look, one. I adore. Let's just finish it off a bit. This necklace, these earrings that I got from Thailand. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Yes, yes. And then, oh, the most perfect hat to go with it because it's all the colours. I tell you what, I must have been feeling cuckoo the day that I put them in the storage room. I'm so glad that Sense hit me like a freight train. Thank you, Sense. Oh my gosh, this is such a cool look. I'm like 100% yes. Let's go to the next. So if you watched my storage video a while ago, you will know that this is one of the dresses that got saved from storage. I'm very glad because it's going to be absolutely perfect with these boots. As would just an oversized t-shirt. Cute. Need one of these little jobbies. Yeah. Another one like that. Oh. What was I thinking? Trying to get rid of these boots. Now, I've got a feeling there's going to be quite a lot of these, so I might just click through them and you can pick your favourite looks. This one, pretty cute. Or this, and maybe even with a belt. I am loving that. Next, perfect little wrap skirt and this oversized shirt, which we could just actually wear down with it as well. And if I was just going to wear the shirt, then we need Freddie, just like that. Some big sunnies. And that is a great look. And then there's always the option of denim. A very cute pair of denim shorts, a little bit of neck jewels, and that is a great look. Next, this cute little number, those little sunnies, maybe that little hat just to switch it up a little bit. Oh, I love these boots. Next, let's see how cute we can make this. Pop that colour, just flip that around. Yes. These earrings, oh God, I love this. These glasses, oh, it's a vibe. Next, how cute is that? I really love that the top of the shorts just hit the top of the boots. Perfection! Those glasses. I love the high-low of that outfit. Let's keep going. How about this cardigan as a dress? That is super cute. Going back with the shade of the label hat. Oh, marvellous. A little bit of colour on the lips. And those glasses. That is a delicious outfit. Little twiddle. I'm sorry that I forget to twiddle sometimes. Next, kimono time. There are many ways to tie this kimono, but I really like these little ties at the front because then it bends the folds at the front over and I really like that look. I've got a little pair of shorts on underneath. So sweet. What a lovely little outfit to go out to the bar. Oh, and I would definitely do. Peekaboo. Those glasses. I mean, can you believe I was going to get rid of these boots?
What an utter.
Just going to put that little gold necklace on. I know I'm not doing like full styling, but you get the idea. So much stuff you can do with thigh-high boots. Let's go to the next. This green fleece shirt, which I love. You can put the belt around the waist. Sometimes I wear the belt over my shoulder like a little bag strap. I just think it looks quite cool like that. Could do that with that cool hat. Sticking with those same earrings. Loving that. And of course, if you wanted, you could belt it. And then I would just put the collar up, pull that a part of it so that some skin showed at the top as well. Oh, lovely. Let's go.
Oh, let me twiddle. Twiddle.
Let's go to the next. I think you're starting to notice that these length dresses, jackets, shirts, work so well with thigh-high boots. I love. So let's give this jacket a bit of a waist. Loving that. Go back to that hat. Fantastic ensemble. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Let's go to the next. This cute dress, and I would put a little shirt under it. I always just like this dress a little bit more when I've layered underneath it. I don't know, I feel like it looks unfinished and it's just a big space there. Could fill that space with jewellery, I guess. I've never done that. Maybe that's one to do. That's very sweet. Love that look. And we could do those funky little glasses. Let's go to the next. This is my husband's coat, but I just thought it would be such a cute little pairing with these thigh-high boots. Like, that's so sweet, right? I adore that. Oh, I love. And I've got the perfect hat. I mean, this. I don't know if he's going to get this coat back. That's so sweet. I love this outfit. Like, literally, I want to wear this tomorrow.
Not forgetting to twiddle.
Yep, adorable. Let's go to the next. This shirt is amazing. I stole it from my husband. Oh my god, I love it. There are buttons everywhere. Like, is this the coolest thing you've ever seen? Please excuse that I didn't iron it. And it goes all the way up there, but I'm going to leave it down like that. Maybe I will do the top button.
Love, love, love. Love, 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 love.
That is so awesome. Like, if I only had these boots in my wardrobe and nothing else, I could make so many outfits with them. This is too beautiful. He is not getting this back because... ouch. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. This bag was just calling me. Oh, absolutely yes. Tick. Let's go to the next. Another one of my husband's shirts. And I have just realised I've got so many outfits to go that I might have to cut this short because this video will end up being way too long. But if you are enjoying the content, hit that subscribe button, put the bell on so you don't miss any others, and drop a comment below. Let me know which one was your favourite. I've totally lost count of what outfit number I'm on now, but I will make sure I add numbers somewhere on the screen. It's another banger. These boots make me happy. Let's go to the next. My husband's Onitsuka tiger jumper, which I love. Have a good look at the back. It's so cool. Those glasses, and this cap. Back to these earrings. Yes. Oh my gosh. Muy bien. Right, shall we do one more? 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can make this Mac work. So if we pin those back without him there. Oh my lord. Yes, wow, I adore this. Let's do sleeves. They need to be really ruched up, and I would pin that collar as well. But absolutely, absolutely, 100% absolutely yes. What a way to finish. Shall we do a hat? Shall we do a hat? Of course we should do a hat. Oh my goodness. This chills down the spine, I'm telling you. Chills. Marvellous. Blooming marvellous. These boots are going to stay with me forever. I can't believe they were nearly not mine. Thank you all so much for watching. Drop a comment and let me know if you enjoyed this video, and also if there's other items that you would like me to style loads of different ways. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!